Page 193, the Carnival of Venice. This is an example of a score for 3 parts, instrumental parts. Could be a trio or more, because you can have more than one person playing a part. Probably a trio, though. A brass trio, because all of these are brass instruments. The B-flat trumpet, F horn or French horn, and the trombone. You'll notice the key signatures are all different. That means we're transposing. Isn't that just wonderful? I'll have a bear on that one. The trombone is a concert-keyed instrument, so it does not transpose. So we are, with 2 flats, we're in the key of B-flat major. That gives us our concert key. So we need to transpose the B-flat trumpet and the French horn part to concert key. In this case, B-flat major. Just take them one at a time. The trumpet, remember when a trumpet plays a C in the music, it comes out as a B-flat. So all of the notes in the music got to go down 1 step. So instead of a G, it's an F. Now we're going to play in the key of B-flat. So all the B's and E's are flatted. So it's here. Now once I get it started, I can use the differences in the music, down a step, down a step, down a step, up a third, whatever, to keep me going. So I just got to figure out which note I got to start on here. I got to remember to play E flats and B flats. Like so. That's the trumpet part. So when the trumpet reads those notes, that's the notes, the pitches they're going to hear. Okay. The French horn, remember when a French horn plays a C in the music, it comes out as an F on the piano. So we're going down a perfect fifth. So all the notes got to go down a perfect fifth. So instead of a B flat, I got to go down here. And again, all the B's and E's are flatted because it's a B flat. So I'm starting here. And again, I can use the down a step, up a step approach. So once I know where to start. Here. And instead of an F, it's a B flat. So they're all ending on B flat. And then, of course, the trombone, you don't. Then, if you feel real good about it, play multiples together. I like to have the bottom part because music is built from the bottom up. So we want the trombone part. So what does the trumpet part sound with that? Well, again, I got to transpose this. So I'm really going down 1 step here. So it's here. Trombone part is boring. And what about the French horn part with that? Well, again, I got down a fifth, so I'm here. Then try playing maybe the trumpet and the French horn part. The trumpet, you're coming down, and the other one, you're down, they're together. They're like a third apart. That's handy. So for the most part, the trumpet and the French horn are a third apart. So if you just played them a third apart, you'd be correct most of it. Not all of it, but most of it's not exactly correct because in the first full measure, you have the French horn that plays the same note both times. So it's a... But then a lot of the rest of it's in thirds. Then if you wanted to try the trombone part, you do that. So I'm not going to torture myself anymore with that, but if you want to go try it out, it's good practice. And the more you do this kind of thing, the better you'll get at it. I guess. I haven't done it much, so I'm guessing on that part.